Hi all. So in today's AEM Experience Manager in Action, I will show you how I work with IntelliJ and AEM. So I know many of you might be using Eclipse. I also used to use Eclipse a lot, but like a year back I started using IntelliJ and I am pretty much comfortable with IntelliJ. Let me show you how we can use IntelliJ for the development. So I already have an AEM project created, so we will click on open new project and choose your project wherever it is in your system. I normally do click on the POM so that it will get extracted completely as a Maven project. You don't have to worry about rest of the things. IntelliJ will build the project into a Maven project. It will import all the dependencies and compile it for the first time. So it will get imported. The next important thing when working with IntelliJ is to have your file vault set up in your IntelliJ. It's very simple. You can go to your file settings and look for IntelliVault. So the very first time you run your machine, IntelliVault will not be present. You can actually install IntelliVault from the plugin. So what you can do is go to the marketplace and type IntelliVault, okay, and select the IntelliVault plugin and click on install and it will install. I already have IntelliVault in my machine, so I can't do it. I can just show something else. Okay, whatever plugin you are searching, you will have a small green install button near it. You can just click it and then it will start installing. So I already have installed my IntelliVault, so my IntelliVault is set up in my machine. So if you already have IntelliVault, or once you install IntelliVault, it will come inside here under your tools section. So you can just search for IntelliVault here like this. So it will come inside your tools and then you click on that. What is IntelliVault? IntelliVault is a plugin which will enable you to work with your file vault. What is file vault? File vault is nothing but you can import your files from your local host to your local machine. That's how IntelliVault works. It helps you to bring files from your server to your local file system. The older versions of AEM had a firewall plugin which comes along with it under the ops folder. After 6.3, they have discontinued distributing FileVault along with AEM. So you can find a FileVault online. There is a URL from where you can download FileVault. I will share that link with you. So once you download the FileVault, give till bin as the vault directory, and then you can just set up your repository. Just give a name for your repository, author or whatever you want to call it, it doesn't matter. And then you have to give what is your local host or from where you want to import. It is not always localhost. You can even give your dev URLs also if it doesn't restrict you to connect to any system. So normally working with localhost, I always use IntelliVault because in project we always work in local and then push the code, so you don't always need to sync your dev to your local IDE, right? So it's always advisable to use your local host for your coding so that you don't mess up anything or in your dev or QA or state. So better set up your local host in your IntelliVault, and then you can give whatever your admin and your ID and password. Yeah, that's pretty much, I mean, this by default it will be set. If you want to change, you can change it. It's all up to you. And so once this is set, you can actually import your projects to and fro from the CRXD. Now there is one catch here. What can you import? Your files in your CRXD, right? So basically your apps or your content can be synced between your local and your local host, but not the Java code, because Java code is something you write and then you have to compile it and the jar will go into your CRXD. So basically your apps or your content you can actually import between your local machine and your local host. For example, let's go to our project and I am doing some changes directly in my CRXD Lite. So now let's say I just added something into my code, and now I want that to be synced to my local file system, right? So what I go to my IntelliJ and then go to the component in which I have modified, and then I will go to IntelliVault and I will say pull from CRXD. Okay, let's wait. Before pulling, I'll show you how the file is right now. So you can see the file doesn't have that star symbols, right? So I'll just pull it. I'll click here and pull from CRX, and I have set it up as my author is localhost 4502. So I just export from and you say yes. So now you can see this message will clearly say that it is pulling content. Now you can see the changes pulled, right? Now another question what you guys might be having, why didn't I pull it from here? Why did I pull it from the folder? So the only catch which FileVault has is it cannot pull individual files. It can only pull directories. So it will completely replace the content in your directory. So you have to always make sure that if you have more than one file in any of your project, if you pull any changes from your CRXD down to your local, or you go up from your local to your CRXD, all the files will get replaced, right? So you have to always be careful when you work with your FileVault. For example, let me show you something. Let's say I'll create another file here, new, and HTML file. I'll just create a test.html. Okay, so I just created a test.html and I'm going to remove this. So my intention right now is to only push this test.html into my CRXD. So now I'm going to do a push of that file with an expectation that that file is going to get pushed, right? But if you go and check your CRXD, you can see that file got pushed. Along with that, whatever change you made is gone, right? So here I actually removed that star from here and I added a new file, but I only wanted to push this file to my CRXD. I didn't wanted to push this star change into my CRXD at the moment. But what happened when I pushed my test file, this change also got pushed. So it's very simple logic. Your files are not getting pushed, your entire folder is getting pushed. So if you have more than one file in your whichever component you are working, make sure you first pull down the latest file to your local file system. Just do changes at one place. If you are always working in IntelliJ, pull the latest into IntelliJ, work in IntelliJ and push it back to CRXD. If you do vice versa, fully do there, like fully do all the changes in your CRXD and pull everything down into your local file system at the end of the day. When you are working in your local, you normally don't push content to your Git, right? When you do something on your local, if you for your learning or whatever, right? So at that time I would always prefer keep a FileVault, always sync your content between your CRXD and your IntelliJ. Always make sure the content is pulled down from your CRXD to your IntelliJ. And always keep in mind that your folders are the one which gets synced, not the file. So ultimately your files get synced because your folders is getting pushed and pulled from CRXD and your local system. So that's the important thing which you have to always keep in mind while working with IntelliVault or your file vault.